Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed Spotify podcast player into WordPress page or post using Sign Builder. So let's go to the dashboard, choose the page where we can embed the player. So click on all pages, go to the page where you wish to add and click on edit with Sign Builder. Now it should open with options for editing. Now here you see we have preview and we have section. Choose the element by clicking on this particular tab, then choose content element, custom code. Make sure to expand this a bit, right? So I'm going with 500 or so. Click on edit element, and this is where we are going to add our custom HTML. So to obtain this particular custom HTML, go to open.spotify, choose the podcast, and here let's say if I want to choose habit coach, we'll click on that. Then within these three dot button, select share, then embed episode. Right now, as you can see here, option for show code, click on copy. Right now, go back to your page where you wish to add this, paste that, and you will find that immediately it will show the preview. You can increase the length. Okay, so up to 593 it will allow. Click on apply. Now save and publish the page. Now if we go back to our pages, choose to view the page, it should show you the Spotify player embedded into WordPress page. Same applies for WordPress post. If you follow the same method,